Hi everyone, this is Alyosha from Daikin Support. Today I would like to quickly go through with you how you can easily clean the air filters in your Daikin Perfera unit right at home. Cleaning your air filters will help your unit to continue cooling and heating efficiently, cleaning the air but also keeping away any smells. We generally recommend that air filters are cleaned at least 4 times per year, while the deodorizing filters should be cleaned before the start of the heating or cooling season. Of course, this can vary based on local air quality. All you'll need are a few simple clean washcloths, a bowl of lukewarm water, some dishwashing soap, or simply a standard household vacuum cleaner. Let's get started.
Look for the dedicated tabs on the lower outer edges of the front panel and gently pull towards you. The panel should unclip easily. Open the panel all the way to the top where it should stay propped up, allowing easy filter access. There are 2 filter panels in the unit. To remove them, gently push the tab in the center of each filter panel upwards. Once you feel them unclip, gently pull down the filter, thereby removing it from the unit. Take care to not touch the aluminum fins behind the filter with your bare hands. The deodorizing filters will be either attached to the filter panels or installed directly in the unit. Gently unhook the tabs from the filter panels or simply slide them out from their slot. You can either brush over the filters with a vacuum cleaner or wash them in lukewarm water. If you're cleaning them in water, you may use a mild detergent, for example dishwashing soap, but be sure to thin it out generously. After you've washed the filters, you should set them out to dry. You shouldn't try to speed up the drying process by using a hairdryer or drying the filters in direct sunlight. Actually, any heat source could damage them. If possible, we suggest setting them in a dry place, outside, in the shade. The deodorizing filters can be cleaned in a similar way. Start out either by gently vacuuming over the filter or soaking the filter in lukewarm water. If the deodorizing filters came in frames, keep in mind it's not necessary to remove them for cleaning purposes. Also, never wring the filters. Instead, simply shake off excess water and set them out to dry. Once everything is clean and dry, you can reinstall the deodorizing filters back onto the filter panels or into their place inside the unit. From there, reinstall the panel air filters back into the unit, sliding them in on their guides all the way to the back and securing them in place in the front. Carefully tip the front panel down and gently push it in until you feel it clipping into place. Time for the finishing touch. Take a soft, clean, moist cloth, preferably made of cotton, and wipe the unit down. If there are stains on the unit, you may use some gentle detergent mixed with lukewarm water.
And that's it! Your Daikin Perfera unit is now all cleaned up and ready to go. Should you need any replacement parts or filters, please contact Daikin Service. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more how-tos plus tips and tricks for your Daikin units. Stay cool, or hot, whichever suits you best. See you soon!